Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to change or add phone number on Shein shopping app. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Shein app first. Make sure you log into it. Now click on this setting icon on the top right corner. Now we can see this option called manage my account. So let's tap on this, and over here we can see this phone number. Since I have not added my phone numbers yet, if not, we can see change option here. So let's tap on this. Now simply enter the phone number. Now, once you're done, we'll get a verification code and we need to enter our verification code here. After this is done, simply click on confirm. After which, the new phone number will be added. So this is all we can do to change or add phone number on Shein shopping app. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.